good afternoon from a breezy Los Torunos Nature Park. Now the beauty of this nature park, apart from being vast, it's not just nature, it's not just trees and bushes, because also alongside it is a beach. A glorious, beautiful sandy beach. So I'm just taking a walk along this boardwalk. Yes, we have a boardwalk. So along here to get the views of the beach, and I can take some photographs. Now over this way as I'm walking, you can see the nature park. In the distance you can see the apartments in Val de la Grana. That's where the beach is, along there, the main part, but the beach continues this way. Over here is the area of Los Torunos Nature Park, and it goes all the way down that way, all the way down to the foot of the bridge over there. And in the distance you can see a dome. That's part one of 2 or 3 universities here. Anyway, let's continue the walk. I'm going to try my best to keep this as steady as possible. Oh, that wind is coming at me. It's beautiful. The temperature's around 29, 30 degrees. So this breeze, it's a godsend, it really is. It's lovely. And you can see I'm being sensible. Like I've got a bandana under my cap to keep the sun off my neck, ears, etc. So, you know, and then I can enjoy it. So you can enjoy it with me. Long boardwalk this. I've been walking like for an hour, so I thought I'll walk to the end of here, get some photos, the bridge in the distance. Before heading back. So I should be able to get a good 10,000 steps in easy. Absolutely, this is the beauty of living here. I jumped on a bus for like 15 minutes and it took me here to the entrance of the nature park. You know, you've got the beaches over there as well to go to. Plenty of bars and restaurants, ice cream. There's a good buffet place there, Gypsy, all you can eat, €14. And then you have this. What a contrast. And right in the distance over there is Portosherry. Lovely marina. And beaches as well. And also, like this, there's no tourists about. Basically, the only tourists we really have is just full up with kids coming from Seville, Madrid, etc., Cordoba, just using the place to get drunk. You see them in the afternoons, go to the supermarket, buy in lots of gin, Ron Barcello, they get a Coca-Cola, tonic water, bag of ice cubes. Then they go down to beach bar over there, a couple that's called Fifi and Blue, and they sit outside drinking because it's like €10 a drink in there, and that stays open till midnight. Then they come back into the town centre and just carry on drinking in the nightclubs, which are open at like 6 in the morning. What I don't get, this sounds a bit like the Costa del Sol or Benidorm with the British. But there you go. But this is great. This is like drunk-free zone. Look at that. It's just stunning. It's beautiful. Wow, man. Ah, this is great. You can hear the birds chirping away. So it's great, the places I have for exercise. I can walk from where I live down to Portosherry, That's like a 40-minute walk each way. Really nice, sit there and relax. It's a Tinto Verano. Chill and just enjoy the scenery. So what do you think of this? Good place? Wow, look at the timber down here. Whew. Imagine one spark on that. If there was glass on there or something from the sun, the whole place would be up in flames. Whew, crazy. Oh man, this is great. So yeah, so over there is Cadiz. Bridge was open in October 2015. So you got the old bridge and the causeway. I wonder if there's any cruise ships in today. We shall see in a minute. We shall see, and we will see the sea as well. Because the bay here, it goes out into the Atlantic Ocean. So a bit of a geography lesson for you there. Oh, there's a birdie flying away. Hey, little birdie. Oh, another one. Yeah, the thing here, with a drought, you go to the beaches now, there's no water, there's no showers or anything. A lot of tourists come in, they misuse them. They use too much. Instead of just stick your feet under, get the sand off. No, they use it for near enough. It looks like it's actually having a shower. Now, if you look down here, this is meant to be a stream, but as you can see, not a lot of water. Oh, look at the crabs. I don't know if you can see, but there's lots of crabs here that come in and out. Let's see if we can see any. Bit of crab watching. Ah, that's beautiful. Look at that. In and out. Yeah, that's just, you see where there's no water, just a little bit there. But at least it's got a bit of moist for the crabs. Oh, look at that one. Hey, he's going. Where's he going? What's he gonna do? Hey crab, how are you today? Do you know the song Crab City in Blues from AC/DC? Hey, this is... Yeah, he knows what he's doing. I can see a crab walking sideways walking. He stopped. What's he stopped for? Nope, continuing. And that one's doing something down there. Oh, we've got some more down here. Look at the different colours as well. Ah, brilliant. One of the... Wow, wow, crabs. Thank you, crabs. Oh, that one's darting across. Hey, they move quick, don't they? Look at that beauty. Wow, another... Oh, are you following? Looks like you're following. Nope, you're going to dig under there. Nope. Oh, no, you're following that one. Yep. Maybe there's a little crab party there. And they're going to have some crab cake. Whoa. Right, let's carry on. So, yeah, it's a nature park. Oh, over there, there's... Oh, the crabs is just everywhere. Wow. Incredible. Ah, it must be their version of a beach day out. I love it. Absolutely awesome. So this is the joy living somewhere like this. The things you get to see you don't expect. In the distance, oh, I can see the catamaran going back to El Porto from Cadiz. Hey, this is absolutely beautiful. So yep, so you can see how close the beach is to here. So I've basically come from right over there, and that's where I'll be heading back to in a bit. Right. Hey. I think with this wind there'll be a fair bit of wind surfing, kite surfing going on today. That wind's getting stronger, make sure my hat doesn't fly off. They need a bit of boardwalk adjacent going along the beach for those who have not got the footwear for it. Okay, here we go, we're going up a height now. Get a better view. Los Chirrinos! Ah, this is the life. Just enjoying my holidays. Summer holidays. Here we go. Now let's have a butcher's at this, eh? What do you think? So, now we're here. Let's look at the view. Let's start over here. So you see Los Chirrinos Nature Park here in Valdegrana, El Puerto de Santa Maria. So, over here in the distance, university, going along, more the nature park, and there you can see the bridge. It takes you across the bay to the oldest inhabited town in Europe, Cadiz. And can I see a liner? Any cruise boats today? No. So the beach goes all the way, long walk down there, keeps going and going. If you use Google Maps you'll see what I mean, you can see better. So there's people out the way, quiet over here. You know the sand dunes, so look out into the bay, somebody swimming, a couple of people walking. You can see the sails of the boat over there. You can see the dampness of how far the tide comes in as well. And then across here, shows you right in the distance, way in the distance, is Rota and the naval base. You come along this way, and you can't see it, but it's like the beaches of Las Redes, Fuerteventura. You come across in the distance, Port of Sherry, Hotel Marina, the catamaran going and moving along. Pine Forest, Playa de la Pontilla, and then moving along So here in Val de Grana you see the buildings, or the apartments, the flats. There's a few hotels at the end. So yeah, it's just, you know, it's a great place to live. It really is, truly. You know, it's an outdoor area, plenty to do. For example, here you can see this place, you can rent a bike on the, like obviously the beach activities. Las Redes beaches over there, they have an inflatable in the sea. We've got a games area which has pool tables, bowling, etc. over the distance that way. Cinema waiting to reopen. Plenty of bars, restaurants. This place is perfect for families. It's perfect for all ages, really. Especially if you're the outdoor type. So, back to the nature park. So I hope you've enjoyed watching this. And I will leave you with a view where I'm going to walk. So if you have any questions about this area, leave them in the comment section and I will answer. Like I said, it's a great place for a holiday. Enjoy your Tuesday.